This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Daignault. Lovely home in a beautiful community. Split floor plan boasts formal living and dining rooms in addition to a family room. Indoor laundry room. 2-car garage. Spacious yard. Owner will consider a pet, but no danger breeds. No smoking or vaping allowed on the property. Some interior work being done, painting, flooring, will be ready no later than December 1st. For more info or to see this property, call or text Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information. Review the details below or contact Daignault at 321-591-3228.